So yesterday in session 1, we explored our understanding of volume, and today in session 2, we're going to develop that understanding. So here's our model it. Try these two problems. 1, 2 model it. The rectangular prism shown below is made of unit cubes with no gaps or overlaps between the cubes. It's properly done. Write an addition equation to find the volume of the prism. Let's see. You should probably pause and try this without me, but I'm moving ahead. So if you've already paused and tried it, let's go on ahead. So let's see. So you could have said, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So there's 6 on this part, and then there's another 6 on the middle, and then another 6 at the end. Like it's made up of 3 sections of 6. So you could have said 6 plus 6 plus 6. You could have done the same thing. You could have done the same thing the other way. 6 plus 6 plus 6. There's a whole bunch of ways you could have done it, for goodness sakes, but I'm going to stick with that way because that's the way that makes the most sense to me. Explain what each number in your addition equation represents. Well, in my case, and you do have to write this down, I'm not going to. Am I? No. There's 6 unit cubes in each layer. Okay, so each 6 represents a layer. I guess I'll write it down. There are 6 cubes in each layer. So each 6 represents a layer. Okie dokie. Now, suppose you add another layer of cubes on top of the rectangular prism in problem 1. What would be your new addition equation for the new rectangular prism, and what would be the new volume? So we're going to add, I can draw that, another layer. Go up. Oh, I'm doing a terrible job. Goodness sakes. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So there's 6 more. So now we've got 6 again. So instead of doing our vertical layers, we're doing flat laying down horizontal layers. So now it's 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which my genius 5th graders know repeated addition means multiplication. So it's 6 4 times, which is 24. Happy face. Alright. So we did our addition. Now let's actually do the multiplication. The rectangular prism showed below is made of unit cubes with no gaps or overlaps, just like it's supposed to do. And it's the same thing, but this way we are multiplying. Okay, write a multiplication equation. Let's see. So we've got, we can do the layers horizontally or vertically. Let's do horizontally because that's what they did last time. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 per layer. 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layers. So there's 8 per layer, and there's 3 layers. So it's 24 unit cubes. Explain what each number in your multiplication equation represents. 8, well, I guess I should be proper there. My eraser. There are 8 cubes per layer, unit cubes per layer more properly, per layer, and there are 3 layers. You could totally have done, if you went this way, 6, 6, 6, 6. You could have done 6 times 4, but look, same thing. Okay. How are the addition and multiplication strategies for finding volume alike, and how are they different? I'm leaving that one to you. And I would really like it if you discussed it with your grown-up in the room as well. Figure A and B are built with unit cubes of the exact same size. Explain how to use the volume of figure A to find the volume of figure B. Okay, so how would we do this? I'll help you with this one. Okay, well, there's one column. I guess we could call it a column because it's not really a layer because it doesn't cover the whole thing. There's one column here, and then there's 4 columns here. So what would we have to do? Multiply by 4. So explain how to use the volume of figure A. So figure B is made of 4 figure A's. I guess it's a capital. Its name is figure A, so capital F. Figure A's. So just multiply by 4. There you go, and that's so 3 times 4 equals 12. There you go. Now we're on to your green pages, so get these couple of green pages done. Take a picture of them, upload them to Canvas, message me if you need anything, and that's about it for volume. See you later.